Is it heading from Holyhead to
Swansea.
Ah. Where is it?
You're in 1 minute.
Okay. How about I'll keep it on record forever?
Yeah, may as well do that.
Because I do not want to miss this green light. Because people recorded green lights and then going to reds. I've seen people do that. In fact, a lot of people. So I'm just doing it too. So I'm just going to keep it on record forever. So, right, so it should be here like in now. Where's the train? Where is it? Where is it? Dad, do you know where is it?
Yeah, it's just on its way now, that's all I know.
Oh. So it should change to red now.
It should do. Unless there's been a signalling delay or something.
Better not be. Because these trains oh. Hi guys, at Rossett, Footpath, local crossing in Cheshire, Matthew Homes and we're in Wrexham, Matthew Homes and Derek Homes. Right, the time now is?
It is 12:30.
On
Tuesday the 24th
of
October.
and this is for our Transport rail service from Swansea, Holyhead to Swansea. 158825 was it?
158825.
Yep, and screen. Thank you guys, see you next video.